Steer it first.
When you come in, before you put it up,
Behind TV.
when you put the behind TV, you call back and ask him, say, yo, check in if that pick up. You know what I mean? So you have a connection, you back and forth. So you ask, yo, and he say, okay. He say, alright, then you come out and you
Good.
So where
When
Bob
you
there?
walk out,
Okay, put it back at TV.
when you walk out, like I show you some of the one. Moment, we don't want a transition with you. I come in. Here?
Alright,
Hello?
now you do. Make kitchen.
We don't want a transition after you're done with you, I come in. To show the closeness. More when you come, she go out. So by the time she lock the door and go so, you come in. By the time she look and go so, you come so.
Go back from one side, Candy, you have to stop shuffle about there. Alright, ready now, Shaka Berry. Hold on, Shaka Berry, I didn't want to see.
The headphone pipe, don't necessarily fit.
Me set up with some canvas. You know what I like.
No, just cover it your headset part. Just put the headset part over here, man. Sorry.
Yes, 451. So yes,
My shopping, my shopping.
Cover the part of squeeze and the part of push in. And the part of push in.
You know the number, right? You come in. So more, we go out, more to Shaka. You never try it. You go on different way. Somebody up there. Oh, no girl. No girl.
No.
Shaka Berry.
All in the door make you find part show. Hold in your hand, man. You don't know if you hold something in your hand.
Body step back to the detective and Sherlock Holmes business. Really? No talking.
yo, you pick up.
Check it out. Like a screen.
Like a screen, man. Never been there.
Sound good. Alright.
Yo, check your fit before. Come in. Alright.
Come back, Shaka Berry.
Just put me around go.
Mommy.
Alright.
These are the police in the market. You don't like it.
Come up and go and see police.
No, what you see? Keep an eye. Good. Hold up. Incorporate the eye.
Go for TV and walk.
One of the sex games, Captain Police.
What would you
Yeah.
undermine your minor credits?
Ready? And for far. Them from beaches.
Alright.
Alright, stop. No, you can make a conversation. Just tell them how much you like it. You don't like nobody, it's like money. No, just start something like a conversation, like, I'm trying to use it.
I said what when this is saying.
I know yourself, man. A simple thing, a regular deeds to me, this, you know, so 1, 2, 3. Just like me, open and fall in love with him. Ready now? Okay.
Very safe, man. I'm gonna say enough time with this.
No, enough time.
No, money, no,
Remember saying the first time we do it?
No, it's a bit, no, and that's why I think I've got to tweak it. So I see when time crunch, I have to change the story. So it's gonna be the first time you are do it. Me look a bit nervous, me like him, but me love money more. So something that me think that is more.
Okay.
Me like the boy, he have a good size, something. Me if I tell him something that's still, but you know.
You don't want to hear that.
No, you don't want to hear that.
No, I hear that. Anyway. Big fan.
Right?
But the sense you like, you fall in love with him and good you work smartly, but you love money more.
Alright, me tell you, open up. You tell me earlier. You're going to scope saying I'm falling in love with him, you know.
Not some not falling in love with him. I want good youth, but you know, so I love money more.
Alright, catch she said that and do some kiss me with. Touch her face. Alright, close it.
Yeah, so I want it more believable. Like
No,
she really
she
love
said more
money.
believable.
No, like she really love money, but she said a while ago, it said like she don't really love money. She said
No, you have
more
to-
for no.
Tell her, tell me say that. Tell me
Say it to the
that.
depth, you know what I mean?
Yo, I'm going to scope saying I'm falling in love with this Rasta boy, you know.
No, son. You know, some love money more.
You know, so I love him, but I love him. You know, so I like him, but I love him.
Relax. Take it slow.
Love money more.
Ready now? Yo, I'm going to scope saying I'm falling in love with this Rasta boy, you know.
No, son. You like him? You know, some love money more.
Shaka Bear, come here. Let's close this. Come here, quick, Shaka Bear.
You know me, you know me.
Come pass another insurance, please.
I feel them.